Welcome back to Home Taste Hub Recipes. Today, we're making crispy chicken. We have a whole chicken, and to start, we'll season it with 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Other optional ingredients include Royco cubes and Maggi seasoning cubes for extra flavor. Mix everything well and coat the chicken evenly with the seasoning. See you in the next step. Trick, chick, exciting! It's time to mix them together well until they are fully combined. Now take your chicken and pour in the spices. Start marinating it by rubbing and mixing everything together thoroughly so that the seasoning coats the chicken evenly. Make sure every piece is well covered for maximum flavor. See you in the next step. It's time to add our marination. This time, we are going to use 3 eggs. Crack them into a bowl. Add 1 cup of milk, then mix well. For coating the chicken, we are also going to use breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour. This will help give our chicken that perfect crispy texture. And now it's time to soak the chicken in all the flavors. We are going to dip the chicken into our egg and milk mixture, then coat it in breadcrumbs, and back again into the milk and egg mixture, then into the all-purpose flour. Repeat this process until you are done, making sure every piece is well coated for that perfect crispy texture. It's time to fry our marinated chicken. Add enough oil into a cooking pan and make sure the oil is well heated. Once ready, carefully place in the chicken and cook on low to medium heat. Let it cook until it turns golden brown. Then turn to the other side and cook until it is well done and beautifully browned as well. And just like that, our flavorful, crispy chicken is ready. So crunchy and yummy. Serve it with any food of your choice and enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.